Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Top Scholars. Today we'll be discussing about introduction to natural resources and their availability. So friends, what are natural resources? Now, the name itself tells you what are natural resources. Resources which are obtained from nature are called as natural resources. For example, the air around us, water, soil, these all are natural resources because these all resources are available in nature. They are obtained from nature. Now friends, these natural resources are broadly classified into two categories depending upon their availability in nature. That is, inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. So let's first see what do we mean by inexhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources are those natural resources which are found in an unlimited quantity in nature, which means that these inexhaustible natural resources will not get exhausted by any of the human activities. Let's take some examples of inexhaustible natural resources. For example, sunlight, air, water. These are the natural resources which are present in an unlimited quantity in nature and they are not likely to be exhausted by the human activities. Water, there is plenty of water in nature. So how much ever water you drink, you use, water is not going to get exhausted. Air, we breathe air, right? And this air is not going to get exhausted since it is in unlimited quantity. Similarly, sunlight. Sunlight is also unlimited in nature, right? To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.